to Siargao. In today's video, we will take you on an epic adventure to experience the breathtaking natural blue rock pool and the blue water river cruise. Prepare to amaze by the stunning view of the massive coconut tree that surround us. Let's dive in and immerse ourselves in the beauty of Siargao. Good morning.
Good morning, how are you?
I'm good. We are in Philippines now.
Yes, we are. And we are going to go for a scooter ride today.
Yeah, a DIY land tour. And right now we are in our place here. It's a very beautiful, unique...
very beautiful grounds.
Yes.
Yeah.
Let's check it out.
Oh, okay. We're in the middle one there. John's walking. We're all packed up and ready to go. Got our goodies.
Yeah, we have our raincoat here.
Raincoats, helmet.
And the takeaway.
Takeaway for food, yeah.
Yeah, in case. Because they charge the container a lot, so I bought it.
Yeah.
For certain, I bought it for like 100 peso for 10. So, and if you buy it from outside, they charge you 20 peso, 30 peso for one container.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Plus you're reusing, so you're not wasting all that extra energy. Here we go. Way down the road that have parking, they're going to wave you in, but really you want to drive all the way to the front. Park right here and there's the entrance. 𝐶𝐻𝐻 rock pool.
Well, right now we're in this rock pool. Wow. I'm not sure how to go there. Wow, a lot of restaurants. We can have a breakfast here.
But we don't see a rock pool. Maybe it's over there. Someone went to ask. A lot of these places were ruined by Odette, presumably, and haven't been rebuilt, but there's a few restaurants open.
Make sure you check when is the low tide before you go to this natural rock pool in the ocean. It only appears at low tide. We also enjoy our time on the beach capturing numbering photo. I highly recommend wearing water shoes for a visit to the rock pool, as the underwater rocks are sharp.
This is like a swimming pool, a nature swimming pool. The bottom of the light colored blue is, look at those waves in the background, is mostly sand with some rocks, and then the outside is natural rock, and so it's sort of a natural swimming pool. Very beautiful place here in Siargao. Beautiful, huh? Lens. We just got out of the ocean, but look at the sky and these palm trees. Crazy. We have all these little restaurants here. Let's see what they have.
I have a vegetarian chop suey for you.
Vegetable chop suey.
Do you have a coconut?
I'll have a coconut, that's nice.
We are here. Very nice. Wow. It's very beautiful here. Welcome to the Philippines. We are right now in Siargao and we are in the rock pool. Very beautiful.
Yeah, it's gorgeous.
Yeah, and you can shower in one of the restaurant here. It's just 10 peso per person.
Yeah, which is, what is that? 20 cents.
Yeah.
20 cents US for a shower.
The cold coconut is 60 peso.
It's very delicious coconut too.
So we are surprised about this Siargao. It's really, really beautiful. It's not about beautiful only. You know, Philippines have a lot of beautiful beaches.
Yeah, it does. They do.
But here they have very delicious Filipino vegetarian food and also Western food. You know, food for me is everything.
It's true. There's a lot of vegetarian restaurants here in Siargao.
Yeah.
It's amazing.
It's amazing.
A little more money though.
Oh yeah, yeah. It's definitely everything is more about 20 to 30 peso.
Yeah.
Because I know the coconut is 20 to 30 peso you can get it.
Yeah, so it's like $3 to $6 even you can spend here on a meal.
Yeah.
So it can be more. And the surprising thing is some of the food were like, I was eating a vegetarian chili yesterday, and it was 80 per. So 2 servings were 80, right?
Yes.
And that would be
160.
about $3.
Yeah.
And totally a Western dish, done really well, vegetarian, fake meat and everything. And that would probably be more in other expat restaurants around the Philippines. But here, it's pretty reasonably priced, I thought.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow. Just amazing here, huh? The rock pool, we came here, you know, I was reading online. The low tide is 7 o'clock. We arrived at 7, it's still high tide.
Yeah. But at 10 o'clock, it started around 9, and by 10, the pool is almost completely above water.
Yeah.
It's a natural pool, which we'll show you, of course, and it's a beautiful setting. Gorgeous waves in the background. And if you go early, there was no one there. It was just the two of us.
Yeah, we are just
if you
two
go
of
an
us.
hour before sun, or before low tide, you have it all to yourself.
Yeah. Now you can see the tide is all down.
Yeah, it's low tide now.
Yeah. We rent a scooter from our apartment. The owner is 350 for a day. So you just put a gas and just come out. And surprisingly, that petrol station near our place is open at 6 o'clock.
Yeah, it's open early. And the road was pretty decent. Well, I mean, there were some spots where the road was a little rough, but there were no potholes even the whole way here. I was watching very closely. You know, when you're on a scooter, you don't want to hit a pothole.
Yeah.
And it took about an hour or something.
1 hour plus like that.
Yeah.
We was driving slow, not really, you know, that fast.
Yeah.
Easy way. And along the way is very beautiful. The green. I was surprised with the green here.
All the palm trees and
Palm tree and
marshes, the water with the trees and stuff.
And also the flower here have a lot and it's very colorful. That's why I say it's very green and very colorful here.
Yeah, it's very
and the one
beautiful.
thing is they have a beautiful lake. Not a lake, it's a river. It's a blue water that you can see through the crystal clear river. We will go there next. So now we are having our time off, relaxing really now, have a coconut and have my breakfast.
Yeah.
This is my long Ceylon with a coffee, 120 peso.
I want to show you what, after you've done drinking your coconut, you have to have them cut it open so you can eat the coconut goodies inside. That's going to be my breakfast.
How much is a young coconut?
Yeah, the coconuts are young, which means they're soft inside and they're delicious. So So we just parked the bike and we're going for it. We just parked the bike and we're going for a swing somewhere around here. There's all kinds of little tourist stuff here. T-shirts and food. Hello. I see it. I see it. This is the tourist spot. Swings, boats. Very cool. Big water is 50. Forget feeling dehydrated. Yeah. 50 is like 90 cents now or something. Time to go see the swing.
Hello, welcome to Mass and Liverman, sir. We collect money for entrance fee, and if you want to ride a boat, it is 550, so that you can have a river cruising.
Oh, we need to ride it?
Yes, please.
This is the little boat you can rent. And they'll canoe you in there. Is that a verb? I don't really know. But I made it up, so there you go. We're gonna canoe. We're going canoeing. I guess the canoe use not the same as canoeing. Alright, I'll shut up now. Pretty cool. Oh, it looks like there's a diving board there. I don't see a swing though.
We are in this Massing River and we take a boat. It's 550 for one boat, including a guide. We are in this river tour and we will go to a cold spring. It's very quiet here. Today the sun is not so sunny. We have a cloud, which is good for us. The charm of this river is simply enchanting with its serene blue water and tranquil ambience. As we make our way toward to the secret blue lagoon, it feels as if we were stepping into the world of meditation. The symphony of the bird chirping, the soothing sound of the flowing river, and the gentle rhythm of the rolling wall create an atmosphere of pure relaxation. Time seems to slow down as we immerse ourselves in the peacefulness of nature, rejuvenating both body and mind. We are here waiting for our queue. There's a lot of people here waiting for this small pool. You can see. And they are leaving and we are the next one. And all the tourists was queued up over there was full in the room. And we just, now it's our turn. It's perfect. And here. Yes, waiting our ride to go back now.
Everyone comes here just to film in this little cove right here. It's just very blue, as you can see.
Well, we are going back now. Say goodbye to this pool. So we are now heading back and we just enjoy our cooling off the cold spring pool.
Yeah, it's beautiful. Back to reality.
The beauty of the famous coconut tree road and the breathtaking view there. The sight was truly awe-inspiring. And this is a very nice vinegar. I will try it. This is our favorite place for food. If you want to know how food is good in Siargao, check out the video above showcasing restaurant in Siargao. Thank you for watching, commenting, and make sure to subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye!